In this video I'll show you how you can create domains. Domains is where you can store the information about what you want to do, or where you want to store the metadata for the messages. What are the messages that we have sent, and where do these work or can be used? So where you do, you go into the admin, go in the configuration, and here you need to log in order to have access to this section, because it's not something that every user should have. You need to have a J2E admin role, and you log in, and you can, the default is the local repository. Local repository is just that it's using the local database of the PI system. The local database PI system is default, and it's really easy to use because you can just save everything in the local PI system. It puts a strain on the PI system because you need to have all the data there, and if you extend this for a long period of time, it will consume a lot of disks, database storage to have the data here. So that's why we also have the other option, the SimpleDB. With the SimpleDB, you simply SimpleDB is Amazon's definition of a cloud-based database. In here you can create a domain where you want to store the data. The domain is actually just a place where you can put different buckets of information in. And here we just have created some domain, and then you enter the domain where you want these data to be stored, and you have the Amazon identifiers and authentication, and just say update, and this will create the domain or domains at Amazon's, so you can get access to storing these datas. The advantage of using the SimpleDB is that you can expand the usage of the PI system, and you don't need to worry about how much data you're storing in the PI system. Everything just goes in the cloud. The same is all the processing goes in the cloud, and this is really ideal if you have two PI systems and you just need one place where you want all the monitoring to be. So this is the way that you can create buckets, and how easy it is to define where you want to store your metadata. So yes, it should be fairly easy.